Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Hope everything is okay, right? So, yesterday I'm sorry that we couldn't be together, right, working in the class, but here is the video, right? These are the activities that we were supposed to do yesterday, right? But now you are going to do them today or tomorrow, Sunday, right? It doesn't matter. And but I would like you to do it, right? Because it is a writing activity, and remember that you practice your grammar when you write, right? So let's begin. And this will be the page. Remember, on Thursday we only read the article about the sad story of a once beautiful river. Remember the story? So I remember that you only answered this, right? And then we were supposed to finish yesterday, Friday, activity number two, right? So let me read the instructions. It says put the words in the correct order, then go through the article and underline the evidence the writer uses to support each of these statements, right? So it says here that first you will need to order the sentences, right? Order the sentences, the words, and then you are going to, it says here, underline the evidence of the sentence, right? So the ones there was, right? Or how did you order? And then look here, what is the idea, the evidence the writer uses to support? Remember, that is when you help something or somebody, right? I support you, you can do it, go ahead. Yes, I support you, I'm with you, right? I support you. So de apoyar, right? Entonces vas a acomodar las tres oraciones, right? I don't know. And then you are going to read the article, vas a buscar aquí en el artículo una evidencia que el escritor haya usado para apoyar la idea que acomodaste aquí, ¿no? A lo mejor aquí dice Beautiful Quiller River, ¿no? Entonces, ¿en dónde dice algo de que el río estaba hermoso, ¿no? Entonces, me imagino que es eso. Tú acomódalos, lo lees y ves dónde apoya esta oración, ¿no? Como que le da certificado a la oración, right? And then, let's go to activity number 3. Match the sentences halves. Which of them talk about possible consequences? Which are suggestions? Which are predictions, right? So, first, I would like you to match them, right? So, match 1, 2, 3, 4 with A, B, C, and D, right? So, please go ahead and do it. Match them first, and then you are going to write. I don't know if you want to write here next to the sentences, right? If it's a possible, which of them talks about possible consequences, right? Which are suggestions. You know what is a suggestion. I suggest you to do this, all right? I suggest you to go to the doctor if you feel sick. So, which are predictions? What are you predicting? Like, if you do it, you will, right? Remember? So, first, please do this activity. Then we are going to go to the activity number 4. The article has 4 paragraphs. Which of them, read these, please? I hope you read them out loud, right? Espero las lean en voz alta para que practiquen, right? So read the sentences. And now you need to match the article, right? The article has 4 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, and 4 paragraphs. So which of them, and then you read the idea, expresses the writer's hope that the situation will be better in the future? Where do you read this idea? Where the writers hope that the situation will be better in the future. And then introduces the topic. In what article, what number, the writer introduces the topic. Remember, topic is el tema de lo que sea que estemos hablando, right? Letter C describes problems and says what should be done, right? So, what paragraph describes problems and gives like solutions, right? What should be done? What should be done? And the letter D describes problems, says what will happen if nothing is done, and what should be done, right? So I hope you got the question, right? And then remember, you're going to put number 1, paragraph number 1, I think, expresses the writer's hope, okay? Depending. Number 5, Choose one of these environmental problems and make notes about what the situation is now, possible consequences, and what should be done, right? So choose one of these environmental problems. I think you remember, and I hope you remember what is environmental, right? Environmental problem. So you have two options, A and B. One of the problems mentioned in these units, for example, deforestation in the Amazon. Letter B, an environmental issue in your town or country, right? So this is what you're going to write about, guys. If you want, you can search information online, right? Go to Google and search about whatever environmental problem you are going to talk about, right? Like to know where it is located in the world or where it is like a major problem, right? And number six, you are going to write an article for your school magazine raising awareness about the environmental issue you have chosen in activity number five, right? So you're going to select first what you want to speak about one problem mentioned in these units, in the whole unit, right? Unit number six, right? So do you want to like do that? Or you want to search one in your city here in Rosarito or in your country in Mexico, right? So you decide. And then you need to write a school magazine. Find a good title, write a good title. Remember, this is the title. Write an introduction that catches the reader's interest. So you're going to write an introduction. This will be kind of like an introduction, right? Where you say what the problem is, right? Describe what the problems are, what you think the consequences might be, and what should be done, right? So this is the information that you need to include in your writing activity. Yes. So remember, if you have any questions or something that wasn't clear from this video, right? You can send me a text, right? Send me a text on the WhatsApp group, no problem, and I will be there to help you, right? If you have any questions. If not, then I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend, yes, and I will see you then on Monday. Take care, guys.